Okay, welcome back. Now we have solved the lower layer, and now we're going to talk about the upper one. As I said, this is completely going to be yellow on the top because white is on the bottom, and we should make sure that the colors are all matching, and we'll be done. But if you see this right now, so interestingly, there is no yellow on the top. Sometimes it'll be one, or sometimes it'll be two. So if there is nothing like this, then we are good to start with anything. There is no specific pattern that we need to follow, but we need to follow the rules like this. When you have anything of this sort, first you may need to do the same thing 2 or 3 times depending on how the cube movements are. So let's assume you are having this. You can start with anything. As I said, you can start with any side. You need to do this algorithm. I'm not going to say you are and all because it is confusing. I will tell it, but you just need to look at it and then see how you understand it. So what you are doing is you are, which is upper and the right, and then u prime, which is turning it back, then l prime, then u r prime, l prime, u prime, and then l. So nothing has happened. If you see that, it has actually gotten 2, but it has not solved anything, but the lower layer is intact. So now we need to do something like this. We need to have yellow on the top. So what we need to do is we should follow the same principle and then do it. U R U prime L prime U R prime U prime L. So now you see this, there is 1. This is an a key position. Now we need to, if you have 1, you are getting closer to the next. Most of the times, the next time you will be getting all the 4s. So what you need to do is you should try to align the yellow being on the top. You should align the cubes. So let's say it has come here. You still need to make sure that the blue and the red are matching. So you should bring it down. So this is your buffer position on the right bottom. So in this, right top, if you see it this way, if you see it this way, it is right bottom. So this position, keep this and then do the same algorithm. The same algorithm is going to be u r u prime l prime u r prime u prime. Yeah. So now you see this, it's again here, but it is actually making the movements. We need to do one more time. U r u prime l prime u r prime u prime l. Now you see that it has actually gotten the 4. So this is a key step in moving forward with this. The next step would be to link or orient them. We have already permuted it and we have gotten the yellows on the top. Now the next step would be to orient the colors so that the corners are matching. So I'll go to the next step, but before that I'll take a break. Thank you.